Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the page zoom and text size in Power BI, a super handy skill for anyone who wants their reports to be clear, readable, and customized for their audience. By the end of this video, you'll know how to resize your entire Power BI report page, adjust all the text at once, and fine-tune specific elements like tables to make your dashboard truly pop. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with resizing the actual report page. This is like setting your canvas before you start painting, making sure you have just the right amount of space to work comfortably. First, just click on the page within the visualizations work area. That's basically you telling Power BI, hey, I want to tweak this whole page. Once you've got the page selected, look for the Format Your Report Page option and then click into Canvas Settings. This is the control room for how your entire report will look in terms of layout. Here, where it gets interesting, you'll notice an option called Type. By default, you might see some standard sizes, but feel free to explore and choose any type that fits your needs. For instance, you might want something wide and spacious for lots of visuals or a more compact layout for simpler reports. And if none of the presets fit perfectly, don't worry. There's a custom option where you can type in the exact dimensions you want. Maybe your company has a specific layout, or perhaps you want your report to fit perfectly on a widescreen monitor. Just plug in those numbers and you're set. Think of it like cutting a piece of paper to the exact size you want before you start drawing. Take your time and try different sizes. Power BI makes it easy to experiment without messing anything up. Now let's focus on text, because what good is a great dashboard if no one can read it? If you'd like to resize all the text on your report page at once, titles, labels, you name it, start by going up to the View tab. This is where you can change the overall feel and style of your report. From there, find and click on Customize Theme. Within the theme options, look for Text. Here's the magic, you'll see a setting for font size. Adjusting this will instantly update all the text across your entire report, making everything bigger or smaller in one fell swoop. This is especially helpful if you're preparing to present your dashboard on a big screen or want to make things easier to read for your viewers. But what if you only need to resize text in a specific element like a table? Maybe you've got a data-heavy visual that needs extra clarity. In that case, click directly on the table you want to adjust, make sure it's highlighted. Then within the Visuals formatting pane, use the search bar and type in font. You'll see something called Global Font Size. Changing this will apply to all the text within that particular table. Beneath that, you'll find options for even more specific font tweaks, headers, values, totals, and so on. This is perfect for tailoring the look and feel just the way you want it, down to the smallest detail. And that's really all there is to it. Power BI gives you a lot of flexibility to present your data, so take advantage and don't be afraid to play around with different sizes until everything looks just right. If a step isn't working the way you expect, double-check that your visual is selected or try applying your changes again. Sometimes it just takes a moment to update. I hope this helped you feel more confident updating your Power BI reports. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions or tips, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.